So welcome back. We are back, and this is our now third Laravel 7 tutorial. So today, what we are going to do, basically, we are going to do basically we are passing the variable to the views. So this is very important. So it is continuation of where we left off. So if you haven't seen our tutorials, just click on those tags, and then it will guide you through where we started. So you know the journey. So how to pass the variables is very easy, and we are going to show you how. So let's start it, and we are on our page, which is Laravel 7, and last time we made the page contact us. So I'm just gonna show you the page. There it has nothing, so you don't need to have anything. So we will give you step-by-step guide how to make this page visually same as you seen before, but I think the journey should be like a slowly and steadily. So so this is our page. So we are going to show you how to pass the variable to the view. So as I said, everything starts from the controller. So we created a controller last time. So what we are going to do, basically we are going to pass the variables to this view, so we can display it. So let's start it, and I'm just gonna give a variable name, something, and then I'm gonna pass a value. This is a test value. So I'm gonna do this one, and then how you do it is basically you just write compact, and in that you write variable name. You don't put the dollar sign. We just put like variable name. That's it. You don't need to put like the dollar sign. So if you put dollar sign, it will not work. So and it will give you error as well. So I'm just gonna save this one. Now I'm gonna go to my views. The template. So this is our test page. This is where we left off last time. So what we had to do is basically you put two curly braces, and then you just put variable name. So variable name, that's good. So let's save it, and then if you refresh, this is a test value, so it is showing there, right there. Same with the other things as well. So you can pass arrays, variables. So if I pass an array variable array, and that will be array, and we're going to val1 is equal to val1, which is basically I'm just putting some random numbers. So val2 and then val2. So this is just example. So it's same way. So you just put this one, and then again you put variable array, and that's it. That will be available over this. How you show it is basically you put h2 and then h2 and then same. So it was variable array, and then you put val1, and hopefully it will show you in here. So I think we have the wrong name, so let me give it. No, the name is actually same as we put it there. So variable, yes. So might be a typo somewhere, and there you go. So val1 is showing there. So same here again. As I said, you can put objects and just keep extending this one. You can put as many as you want. I would suggest if you have multiple variables, just make an array and then use it via this way. So you just need to pass only one variable. It will be less clunky as well. So this is how you do it, and this is how you pass the variable from controller to the view. This is how it works. So you can pass objects as well. If you have a model, which we will discuss later on, we will give you a tutorial about the model as well, what the models are, because at the moment we're just working on the views and the controller, but we haven't played with the database yet. So in the next tutorial we will touch base with the model, and we'll give you some more information. So thank you very much for joining us today, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Subscribe to our channel please, and hopefully we will get back to you